Hello, you avid fishing freaks. For this online contest, there's going to be a couple stipulations. One, you have to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to Matt Baker, aka Matt Caden Team. I'll have the link posted below in the description. Two, back to one. You have to be subscribed and notified for Matt Caden, aka Matt Baker. Plus, if you're not subscribed to me, you have to subscribe and hit the bell notifications to me as well. Share out the video. And in this contest, it will be the biggest poundage of fish caught in a 3-day contest. If you can fish only one day, that's fine. You can, one day a fish can win it just as easy as 3 days. Stipulation number 2, only the fish caught from the 18th through the 20th will count. And I will need some form of verification of the total fish caught weight written down and verified by someone else other than you, emailed to me at the email I will post down in my description below. And good luck. Plus, I'd like to have some pictures so we can get them posted. Thank you.